Hey, welcome back to my channel. I want to do a review for you guys on a spin brush cleansing system for your face and body. Just quick disclaimer, I was sent this product by, I hope I'm saying this correctly, Duvolle, and it's their Radiance Spin Care System. So it comes, I have it out of the box, but it comes in a box like this, and it comes like this. So basically it is a brush cleansing system for your face. It comes with 3 brush heads. One is for cleansing your face, one is for exfoliating, one is for the body, and one is a pumice stone, which is for your feet. So I'm going to take everything out and give you guys my thoughts. So I got it about a week ago and I wanted to really give it a thorough review. I wanted to try it for a couple days. I wanted to try the different brush heads, and I definitely have a review for you guys. But let me explain the machine or the mechanics of it first. So you get this. It is battery operated, so there's no charger. It does take 4 AA batteries. Once you put it in, you close it, it is water resistant, so you can use it in the shower. There's like a little rubber band inside so that once you seal it, the water doesn't get in. I've used it in the shower. I haven't had any issues with it. I dropped it and it still worked. It fell from like the top and like all the way down. So it comes with these little brush heads. It's got like numbers inside. You can kind of see them. So number 1 is the cleansing one. So what it says in the little booklet is that you wash your face off first, like your makeup off, and then you use the brush to cleanse the face. I think it works really, really great. All you do is you get it and you kind of line it up and you click it just like that. And you just pull it off when you want to change it. Yeah, I use that one. I use the exfoliating one. This one's really good too. I mean, I know if you look at them, you probably think they look similar, but the exfoliating one is a little more dense as opposed to this one that you can kind of like, it's more flimsy, but it's gentle on the skin, which is something that I was really curious about. When I used it, I didn't get any irritation. I didn't, like, my face didn't turn red or anything. It was really, really soft and super gentle on my face. So I use those. The cleansing brush for the face, or the body brush, was really cool too. It's not scratchy at all. It's really nice. It gives you that nice, like, clean feeling. I usually use those what do you call it? Like those loofah gloves to wash my body when I take a shower, and this is gentler, more gentle than those brushes, which is nice. And the pumice stone too, it's great. I'm somebody who, I do like manicures, pedicures at home. I really don't go to, actually I never go to get I never get a pedicure. I just do it all at home. It's nice because you just, again, same thing, you put it on, you sit, your feet are wet or whatever, and it just does it for you. And it's really gentle. It doesn't go at like a crazy speed. Back to this guy. So it turns on, you push this button, and it goes clockwise. No, I'm sorry, it goes counterclockwise. Yeah, it goes counterclockwise. There's only one speed. This is the on and off button. That's it. One thing that I will say is when you are washing your face, get your hair out of your face so it doesn't get yanked in, because again, it is a spinning brush. So if your hair gets wrapped up, it's gonna pull it. It didn't happen to me, but when I saw that it was like a spinning kind of like this, I didn't want to take a chance. The other thing too is that because it spins counterclockwise, when you're washing your face, you want to go clockwise. Otherwise, it kind of just drags along your face. You want to have better control over it. Just go clockwise. So I used it and I was really surprised to see how well it like cleaned my face. I saw a difference after I washed my face. My face was a little like more clearer, definitely looked more radiant. What surprised me was the way my skin felt after. Like, I usually have to exfoliate my skin for it to feel that soft. And then, like, putting serums on afterwards, I feel like they stayed on my skin better. They penetrated my skin better. I woke up like the next day, like my skin feeling really soft. Like whatever I put on my face absorbed it nice. And that was really surprising to me because I'm good with my skin. I wash it twice a day. I do masks. I exfoliate. You know, I'm on top of my skin. I have good skin. And it was really nice to try this out and see that like my skin felt nice still. It looked radiant. So I was seriously surprised by this. I wasn't sure like, you know, is it going to be good? Is it not? And I was pleasantly surprised by it. So that being said, I definitely think if you want to invest on a like a brush cleansing system and you want one that's affordable, I think this is a really good one to try out. You get the 4 brush heads with it. So it typically retails for $95. They were nice enough to give me a discount code that I will put down below. It's the discount code is Fairyland70, all capital letters, but again, I will put that down below and I will link it to the website. And it will come out to I think like $28. So from $95 to $20, it's 70% off. And that's on this system, and then they have I think like styling tools for your hair. So I would definitely take advantage of that. I know on their website when I was looking at it, they have like a 60-day guarantee. If you don't like it, send it back. So that's a plus. Even if you want to try it, you trying it out for $30. I mean, that's not bad. It's definitely worth checking out. I was really impressed by this. This is something that like if I was on the hunt for a brush and I didn't want to spend too much money and I wanted to try something and, you know, give it a shot, I would definitely go for this one. So yeah, I don't know if you've tried it out before. If you haven't, or if you're curious, you know, comment down below. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. And that's all for today. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Put the notification bell on so you know when I'm uploading. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.